Hey, shovelheadffej, and I am in the Is it Ms. or Mrs.? I'm in the MRS's DD's. Is it Mrs.? Miss?
MRS.
I know, I can spell, but is it Miss? Ms? How do you say it? Ms. I'm in my wife's, we're in the Tahoe, man. On our way, and I know you're gonna go, oh my god, not another party at Herb's. He has them once a month, man. So yeah, we're going down there. Gonna see David down at Herb's Limestone Country Store Bar. I forgot. You know what? I really need to find the exact name of it. When you live right down the road from it, you just call it Herb's, and everybody knows what you're talking about. Anyway, it was raining last night. Just miserable all day long. It's been cloudy, and all of a sudden, man, it's Florida, man. Florida, it's like Oklahoma weather. If you don't like it, give it a few minutes, it'll change, you know. So it looks like the sun's coming out. Looks like we're going to have a great day down there. Supposed to have a bunch of bands and stuff like that. As always, going to have the beer. Right now it's 11:47, and I'm a good Baptist. I'll wait till 12. We don't drink till after 12, and that's it. Get some barbecue, and I'll show you some bikes. Always good to go to a good biker party. If you ever get a chance, I know I sound like an advertisement for David for Herb's Limestone. Come down there, man. It's literally out in the middle of nowhere. If you want to have some fun, Google Earth Herb's Limestone Country Store, and you'll find that it is literally out in the middle of nowhere in Florida, which is a very hard thing to do, because Florida is becoming more and more a giant cement slab, but it's out in the middle of nowhere. It's well worth going there and having a few beers. No attitudes, no trouble. A lot of bubbles, no troubles. All right, see you in a few minutes. Or I'll go show you some bikes. For you, it'll just be a second from now. Anything you want to say?
No.
Shut up! Okay, bye. I love her. you know, it really sucks is that, you know, you go to a park, it's a beautiful park, and where I live, there's really not a lot of drugs. I mean, there's not a lot of hard drugs like heroin and stuff like that, you know, but you go to a park and, you know, and I know tonight this park, because it's going to be Halloween night, it's going to be full of kids, man, you know, and what is wrong with you, man?
I would say to you and me in those moments when we know we've messed up and we wonder about the trajectory of our lives and have we done enough, that's not a bad question. So the question has to do with whether or not we make it in the kingdom of God, whether or not we find ourselves wrapped in the arms of grace. It is about salvation.
You know what? There's a police officer. There's a police officer right there. I'll get him. See if he'll do anything. Hey, officer. I'm sorry. I know it's not your job, but I do know that there's going to be kids in this park today.
Yeah.
And there's a hypodermic needle there.
Where?
It's... yeah, that's, you know...
No, it's definitely my job. Thank you for that.
Well...
Is it capped?
I don't know. And it looks like blood on it. I don't know. And I know kids are going to be running around, all around here.
Workers here. We could... Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll take care of it.
Yeah. So. Yeah. I don't know. I was waiting. You know, for everybody that says 5-0 sucks and the blue sucks and all, how everybody hates cops. Every once in a while, you do find a good one. This is Lieutenant Lipker, right?
Okay, yeah, I try.
Lipker. Great guy. Actually, do what?
I try.
See, yes, he tried.
Be a good cop.
Actually did his great job, and now you know why he's a lieutenant. And he's fixing to retire, but he said, nah, he ain't gonna retire.
Yeah, because of great people in Punta Gorda. I love it.
That one guy, old man, was it?
No.
Let me shut. one of the things that no matter where I go, they're always putting up posters of me, especially this time of year, which is pretty cool. I mean, I don't mind it as much, but you know, when they use my my likeness without my permission, that pisses me off. That's so wrong. Looks nothing like me.